These cooler temperatures have brought a rise to stink bug spottings in the tri-state area. You might even say they're everywhere you are. Well, Eyewitness News' Grace Haba spoke with local and national experts about the rise and fall of the pesky pest. Grace?
Wayne, over the past decade, stink bugs have become an unstoppable force, invading homes and damaging crops all around the country. Now they're right here in the tri-state, and scientists say they aren't going anywhere. The brown marmorated stink bug originated in Asia, but migrated to the United States in the 1990s. Now they're found all over the nation, and they're growing uncontrollably.
They will lay their eggs on the underneath side of leaves, about 20 to 30, and they look like little pieces of rice. And then when they hatch, they'll go through like 5 molting stages in the course of 1 year, get to about 3/4 of an inch, and then they start looking for warm places to hibernate through the wintertime.
Naturally, they're hanging out in cornfields and soybean fields. As those get harvested, they found out that we build a nice little structure for them to live in throughout the winter, so they start moving inside.
Rain says the cooler it gets, the more likely you are to find the bugs in your home.
Usually an attic or a wall void or a chimney or something like that, to where it's very difficult to find them and eliminate them from those locations.
But he says even if you don't see them, that doesn't mean they're not there.
These insects can actually be frozen to some point and then survive.
It's a process called diapause, where the insect enters a motionless, dormant stage which blocks developmental growth in anticipation of a harsh seasonal change. There are several species of stink bugs native to the United States, but their predators won't kill this particular pest, which is why scientists say we have to look overseas for the solution.
Trissolcus japonicus. We've been studying this in the laboratory for some years to determine if it's specific enough to brown marmorated stink bug to safely introduce.
Homer says while the wasp will help reduce numbers, stink bugs are here to stay.
It may take some time because it may take some years for the populations to grow to the point where they occur everywhere the stink bug occurs.
Other than a foul odor, experts say the stink bugs are relatively harmless. In Henderson, Grace Haba, Eyewitness News.